All right, we got a call for rooftop no heat, and let's see, what's today? Today is December 11th. A little chilly, but we had just replaced a whole bunch of units on this roof, but apparently there's two, maybe three, I don't know yet. Let's see, two that we didn't change. Don't know why. Whatever was in the contract. And they had a power outage today. That's what I'm gathering. They had a power outage, or scheduled power outage. That one didn't come back on. What year is this thing? 16. I'm assuming this thing's off on limit. Seems like the fan's running. Seems like the fan is running and the inducer's running, but no, not lighting up. Let's see. Diagnostic code 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Limit switch trip. Jeez, oh Pete. So, you guys see? So, could have a bad belt. Ah, geez, one of these days. Up there, yeah, there's a limit up there. Let's see if our belt's good, even if we have a belt. Oh no! Say your belt's bad. This one's a little crusty. Pulley's wasted. This one's crusty, but X38. This one's crusty. A38. If this one's crusty, let me go check the other one. So I got a feeling, you know what, let me check the filters too. She's a crusty one, mama. Brand new filters. Good on the filters. Let me just check. So I hate making 2 trips. You know how I hate making 2 trips. could use it too. Let me go grab some AX38 belts. I'm only right down the street, right across the street. Give me some belts and that will be good to go. Because the filters just got changed. These rooftops just got put up. For giggles, let's check our heat exchanger. Check the heat exchanger. Look-see, little look-see. Heat exchanger looks okay. Get in the hole. Fight with me. Is that the wrong way? Oh, that's the right way. Come on, jerk, stop fighting with me. Let me get this door on. And I had to take 2 bottom screws off to get the door back on. Stinking ridiculous. Oh, let's turn this thing back on and see what she does. I'm gonna go get a belt, 2 belts, and I will be back. I only gotta go down the street and around the corner. Okay, no AX or no A38, so we crossed it over to what is it, 4L 400. So we're gonna put some 4Ls on there. 40-inch belt. Couldn't get the pulley, so we got that coming in next week, but I gotta get them heat. Gotta get them heat. Probably could have left this one on there. But we will get this one on there. Nice tension. Lack of maintenance call. Check this pulley out too while I'm here. Don't understand. That's off. Oh, she don't want to come off. There we go. That pulley's all right. It's not grooved. She's a dirty girl. Ooh, yuck. Power back on. Heard the fan start up. She is off. A little breezy up here today. A little brisk. At least it's not snowing. At least it's not snowing. There we go. Quick, easy service call. Lack of maintenance. That belt's hit. No wonder why the pulley's crap. Alright guys, that's it for this one. And I'm gonna get off the roof and on to the next one. See ya.